Welcome to Rumbie's table. Today's video is about how I confront fear. A little glimpse and pointers on what I do. I will be talking about it while you enjoy some of my cooking experiences. As I reflect about my life, I realize that everything is new at some point in our lives. I think back in reflection as a teenager, or moving to a different country, or taking steps into a new project. I write my worries and fears and concerns freely on a notepad. I write without judgment to self and do not filter how silly, petty, or vivid in vision those fears may be. I do like to write down my worries, fears, and concerns. As I do that, I freely write without any judgment to myself. Even if it looks silly or petty, those fears are vivid in vision and within my being. I allow the fear to have a safe environment so I'm able to express myself. I make sure I acknowledge my fear, and sometimes I'm able to look at my fear in the eye. In those first steps of my process, awareness is paramount. It is worth pondering where I might encounter the same fear in the future. I also remind myself that the cycle has undeniable truth about myself. And I'm always reminded that the bravest people are not those who have no fear, but those who look right at the fear and then overcome it. I choose to breathe in and out. I choose to breathe in and out. A little tip on how I focus on my breathing, whether I'm standing up or sitting down. I make sure I am comfortably sitting or standing, and I can keep my eyes open or closed. But the most important thing is I focus on my breathing. It is slow and through the nose, filling my belly with air whilst raising my arms or having them on top of my knees. I make sure that my breathing increases and my environment is comfortable. Oh, we have come to the end of our video of confronting fear. I hope you've enjoyed seeing the food I like to cook and also a glimpse of the daffodils that are a sign of spring Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you will join me on this process of life. Thank you for watching. Dinotenda Niyabonga. Please don't forget to subscribe and share with friends and families. Love and light to you at Rumbie's table. Thank you.